The northern Nigeria have sent a strong message give to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. IPOB have raised alarm and tell the West, which is Yorubas, they are ready to go. And what they want is referendum. They don't need a war in Nigeria. No be smarty, no, you don't read. As it be like this now, the Nigerian military said that don't have any hand in taking over Nigeria. So any Nigeria who is saying military should take over is wasting their time. My people, you don't read. They meant Kasala, you don't find any boss. And we go look after this video, one after the other. The North are now calling all the northern leaders. They say they have fed their citizens, that all of them should come together for them to put an end to Boko Haram and put an end in hunger in the northern part of Nigeria. They are ready to do anything in order way to make sure say they are okay. Finally, the waking up of the North have come, and this is the beginning of the end of Halamajiri in the North. Just watch and see. If the North can stand this revolution, you will see that the Halamajiri in the North would automatically disappear because they are capable. Even the human resources in the North can generate anything they need to survive as humans. Okay, let us watch this video and hear the message that IPOB have sent to the federal government, telling them they are ready. So when you're calling Igbo must go, Igbo must go, that Ndigbo is ready. The Biafrans are ready to go from Nigeria via referendum, so that there are some people that want to stay with you people, fine, they can stay. But the ones who don't believe in Nigeria again can as well go. Let us watch the video before we come back and continue.
We are Biafrans. We are not asking for war. We are not asking for any problem. Only thing we are asking for is freedom of our people. Because they say you cannot beat a child and ask the same child not to cry. Our people has been suffering. Our places are under siege. Our towns are under heavy they militarize our places, so we are not free. Even the country is not giving us enabling grant or government to harness our potential. They keep killing our youth. We are agitating peacefully. What we are asking for is the sovereign state of Biafra. Nobody is asking for war. We ask for a referendum to be conducted. If my people vote that they want to remain in Nigeria, that is their decision. If they vote that they want to be on their own as Biafra, you grant it for them. Nobody is asking you for, but they are doing it as if it's war. If you go to the east, you people are journalists, you can take a walk to the east. You will see what is going on. One pole to pole, you will see military checkpoints. And those checkpoints, they are not there to maintain peace. They are kidnapping our people, they are adopting our people, unnecessary arrest, shooting sporadically, burning down communities, burning down villages, making mothers childless, making children orphans. It's uncalled for. That is not what we are asking for. They make it look as if there is war. They brought war down to our place. Why we are not fighting any war? Look at the killing going on in the north. You will not see much military present, but the east that is peaceful, that is calm, you will see a lot of atrocity going on, being perpetrated by the same security agent that's supposed to protect lives and property. It's unfair. Our people are no longer happy. What we want is freedom of Biafra. And lastly, let me tell you this. We will resist every attempt within the ambit of law to any agenda or plan of secret trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be resisted by Biafrans within the ambit of law. Because you accuse him openly, you must try him open. Okay? Anything that you want to do to try him secretly will not work. And they should remember that
And I want you to watch this video coming from one of the northern leaders.
We have had a northern president from Katsina for 8 years. Before he came, we did not have a single IDP. All our local governments were safe. Now Katsina State, 22 out of 34 local governments, that is 65% of Katsina, is under siege. Borno State is more secure and safer than Katsina. That we had a president who is from there. That is a failing of us northerners. We need to look at ourselves. And now here we are. We have a leadership, we have a vice president number 2 who is from the north. We have a Speaker of the House who is number 4, who is from the north. We have an SGF who is from the north. We have the senior most military officer who is from the north. We have all the ministers of defense from the north. We have the Minister of Police from the north. We have the National Security Advisor from the north. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will look at us and say, you guys have no excuse not to bring peace to your land. So it is up to us to look at ourselves in the mirror, we Northerners, especially those in government, and lock the door and say, people, how do we take care of these problems? President Bola Ahmed Tinubu from the Southwest cannot come and bring peace to us. It is us that must bring peace to ourselves. And it is not the military that will bring peace. I've said it again and again, banditry can never be won on the battlefield. We are just putting the military to clean up after this mess. They're everywhere. So Northern leadership, all of us, must come in, lock the door and sit down and see how we can bring peace to our land. 15 years of Boko Haram, 9 years of banditry. Are we going to continue this forever? I have friends in the United States calling me and say, did you see the primary school where these kids were taken? Blown roof, nothing there. Well, this is the leadership of the North that fuels all of this. And we're looking elsewhere, we're blaming somebody else. No. Leaders of the North, those in government and out of government, it's time for us to look ourselves in the face and say, we have failed our people, we need to do better. The military cannot bring peace to ourselves. None. We must all get involved and stop this nonsense, this Boko Haram, this bandit.
Nigeria must be repaired for our own benefits directly and for the benefit of our next generation. But if we don't resist it now, we may never resist it later. And now is not the time that we must not be intimidated with death. Many have died before us. Why is Sheikh Albani Zaria? Why is Sheikh Jafar Adam Kanu? Where are our beloved brothers that were killed by the Nigerian security when they were in the sacred gathering of Mauludun Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Where are they all? And where are the Shiite members that were brutally killed? أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان اللعين الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Fellow Nigerians and compatriots, this is a call for freedom. It is a call for the emancipation of the masses, the poor and the vulnerable among us. It is a call for fight against the oppression of the leaders of this country. Nigerians are in a very trying time. Few years back, we are faced with the serious issues of insecurity, ranging from kidnapping, herdsmen, and banditry. Our economy is shambled as the result of subsidy removal. There is no longer price of any commodity. Our borders are closed unnecessarily. The purchasing power of Naira keeps falling as if we don't have economic planners. The value of Naira keeps devaluating every day. The high unemployment and redundancy among the youth. That is why I find it relevant to be part of these peaceful protests. I urge all of us to be law-abiding citizens. No provocation and no retrieval and no violence of any kind. And we pray for Allah's intervention in this trying time. We pray for safety in this gathering and safety back to our homes.
Okay, my wonderful people, now I want you to hear the reply of Nigeria military, as they have made it clear that they are not part of any Russia flag, and anybody who is holding Russia flag will be seen as a criminal in Nigeria, that they will never take over Nigeria. They will continue maintaining the peace in democracy. They stand with Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Watch the video.
Today's meeting is such that we wanted to come and update Mr. President about the situation on ground. We know since the riots have started, the role all the security agencies are playing. You can see all of us together. We had about 2 hours meeting with Mr. President. We explained to him in details the current situation on ground since the riots have started. And what we realized is that, yes, initially people said it was a peaceful riot, but we have warned against it because we realized that there are individuals that are willing to take advantage of it to cause mayhem, and we can see clearly what has happened since it has commenced. Criminals have taken over, a lot of looting, a lot of stealing and all sorts happening. And besides that, we're also aware that I'm seeing, all of us have seen it, where some foreign flags have been flown within the sovereignty of Nigeria, and that is totally unacceptable. We are warning in clear terms, and the President has also said we should convey this, that we will not accept anybody, any individual flying any foreign flag in Nigeria. That is treasonable offense, and it will be viewed and treated as such. So nobody should allow himself to be used by any individual. Also, the issue of coups. Nigeria is a sovereign nation. Nigeria is a democratic nation. All security agencies are here to defend democracy and ensure that democracy continues to strive. We will not accept anyone pushing or taking any action, seemingly or for whatever reason, to want to push for any change of government. Democracy is what we stand for. Democracy is what we continue to defend. For those of them flying flags, if you see, a lot of them are kids being pushed to do that. We're following up with those ones that are sponsoring them, those that are pushing them, because you know the flags were also made. We identified those areas and we're going to take serious action against that. The President is clear on his instructions on for us not to accept anyone that wants to disrupt the peace and tranquility of Nigeria. And we are all standing here together to show Nigerians that we're working closely, we're working together in synergy to ensure that there's peace and tranquility in Nigeria. That we have assured Mr. President. I think we have cleared that. It has been cleared. I think it was just a misconception. They actually have seen those things and they wanted to clear them away from that area, and that's what was done. We have investigated thoroughly. The Chief of Army Staff is here. We have investigated thoroughly, and there is nothing like such. No member of the armed forces will fall into doing that, and it's very clear. Yeah, I think we've said that clearly, that the military is going to step in when it is out of bounds. And we can see that for people, subversive elements, to push individuals to carry Russian flags in Nigeria, Nigerian sovereignty, that is crossing the red line, and we will not accept that. And those ones who have done that will go in for the books, and they're going to be prosecuted. I'm sure you have seen them on TV, so the TV will show, because that's enough for you.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back and share this video so that other people go get the information and know what they happen. Don't forget to drop your own opinion in a comment section. The only way you go feel support us now to share the video, and make sure they follow all our social media handles. If not for YouTube, they watch, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notification bell. If not for TikTok, give us a follow. If not for Facebook, give us a follow. If not for us, also give us a follow. Thank you so much. We will see you for the next update. I see the hot.